Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Bitcoin, I still think it's very obvious on the monthly. This is a 1, 2, 3. Most likely this is a wave 4. We do have a Fibonacci bounce. Looks like we may actually have the end of a wave 4. I was thinking it would go down to the 50, but the market may be telling us that the wave 4 is over and that we are heading back up for the wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, it definitely looks like impulsive down, corrective up, impulsive down. Definitely a Fibonacci bounce. Like I was mentioning last week, until we can identify the end of a trend for this wave C of 4, we don't really actually know that it is going up. I think we are very close to being able to do that, and that should prove that we are going back up to make a wave 5, which should take out the previous highs. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. Now, I was saying that once we are able to identify the end of a trend, then we most likely will know that the wave C of 4 is already over. Price did push past the 78.6, which tells me that this wave is over. And if that wave is over, then most likely the whole trend is over also. Probably is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 of wave C. And now that we're closing so far above the 78% Fibonacci retracement of the wave 5, that pretty much proves to me that the trend is over and that it probably will take out the high of wave 4, make a pullback, and then just keep on trending up, probably like a wave 1 and a wave 2, eventually a wave 3 of wave 5. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think we're in a subdivision wave 1 of wave 5. So this is a 1, this is a 2. Most likely we are in a wave 3, probably eventually going to make a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now what I mean by subdivision is most likely this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 1, which most likely is a wave 1 of wave 5 on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely still making higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. This is still a wave 3 of wave 1, I believe. If it goes down and breaks structure, that pretty much will prove that we're probably in a wave 4, and then we'll probably go up in a wave 5. If it doesn't break structure to the downside, then that means we're still in a wave 3, and as long as the series of higher highs, higher lows continues, definitely just continue to trade with the trend. Most likely we're in a wave 3. Most likely this will end up taking out the high of the previous move, which is right around the $63,800 area. So it seems kind of likely it will probably take out that area before it actually makes a bigger pullback for a wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5, which I think is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, which is a wave 1 of wave 5 on like the daily and the weekly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.